Want to know the real secret to glowing, youthful skin? Well, it might have more to do with what's on your plate than what's in your beauty bag. Your skin is your largest organ, and it's a direct reflection of your overall health. Everything you eat can have an impact on how your skin looks, whether it's glowing, clear, or showing signs of aging. Welcome to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. In today's video, we're going to uncover the surprising link between food and skin health. I'll be sharing 6 diet secrets that can help you achieve youthful, radiant skin naturally and without breaking the bank on expensive beauty products. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to eat your way to glowing skin. Number 1. Embrace anti-inflammatory foods. Let's kick things off with one of the most important factors when it comes to skin health: inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of skin issues like acne, redness, puffiness, and even wrinkles. It's not just about how your skin looks, it's about how your body feels. And unfortunately, inflammation can cause all sorts of skin issues. So how do we fight this? Well, the answer lies in anti-inflammatory foods. These foods not only reduce inflammation, but they can also boost collagen production, keep your skin youthful, and protect against free radicals. Here are the foods you should incorporate into your diet for healthy, glowing skin. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and maintain skin hydration. Omega-3 fatty acids can also strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, making it less prone to drying out. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and other dark leafy greens are loaded with vitamins and minerals that help nourish the skin. These greens are also high in antioxidants, which protect your skin from oxidative stress, the leading cause of premature skin aging. Bright-colored fruits. Fruits like berries, oranges, papayas, and cherries are bursting with antioxidants. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals in the body that accelerate aging and damage skin cells. For example, vitamin C found in oranges and papayas is a potent antioxidant that helps in collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Healthy fats. Healthy fats like those found in avocados and olive oil are crucial for skin hydration. These fats nourish the skin from the inside, keeping it plump, elastic, and glowing. The good fats found in avocados also contain vitamin E, which helps protect against UV damage and slows down the aging process. Spices. Don't forget the power of spices like turmeric and ginger. These spices have incredible anti-inflammatory properties and can work wonders on your skin, reducing redness and calming inflammation. Together, these foods fight inflammation at its root and repair damage from the inside out. When you adopt an anti-inflammatory diet, you'll start noticing clearer, more radiant skin. Number 2. Boost collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and elastic. It's often referred to as the glue that holds your skin together. But as we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and fine lines. The good news is that you can boost collagen production through your diet. Here are some foods that are great for boosting collagen. Bone broth. Bone broth is a rich source of collagen. When you simmer bones and connective tissue, they release collagen into the broth, which you can drink or use in soups and stews. Bone broth can not only help your skin, but also support joint health and digestion. Gelatin. Like bone broth, gelatin is made from collagen. You can add gelatin to your diet in the form of homemade gummies, jellies, or even in baked goods. It's a simple and easy way to increase your collagen intake. Vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli are rich in vitamin C and can help boost your body's ability to produce collagen. Collagen peptides. Collagen peptides are a convenient way to increase collagen in your diet. You can add them to smoothies, coffee, or even water for an easy, tasteless boost of collagen. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll help your skin stay firm and youthful while fighting signs of aging. Number 3. Prioritize vitamins for skin health. Vitamins are essential to your skin's health. Certain vitamins help to repair, regenerate, and protect your skin. Let's take a closer look at 3 key vitamins that can make a noticeable difference. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for skin repair and regeneration. It helps prevent the buildup of dead skin cells and promotes healthy cell turnover. You can find vitamin A in foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants for your skin. It helps protect your skin from UV damage and stimulates collagen production. Foods rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative stress. It works alongside vitamin C to protect the skin from premature aging and keeps your skin hydrated. You can find vitamin E in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. By ensuring your diet is rich in these vitamins, you'll support your skin's natural healing processes and keep it glowing for years to come. Number 4. Support gut health. A healthy gut equals healthy skin. Research has shown that the state of your gut microbiome plays a huge role in skin health. A balanced gut microbiome can help prevent and treat acne, eczema, and other inflammatory skin conditions. To support your gut health, include these foods in your diet. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and yogurt are packed with probiotics. Probiotics help keep your gut microbiome balanced, which can lead to clearer, healthier skin. Prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are foods that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus are great sources of prebiotics. Fiber-rich foods. Foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, beans, and vegetables, help support digestion and gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for healthy, clear skin. By focusing on gut health, you'll be supporting your skin from the inside out and reducing inflammation across the body. Number 5. Hydration is key. Hydrated skin is happy skin. When your skin is hydrated, it looks plump, fresh, and youthful. Dehydration can lead to dry, flaky skin and even fine lines. That's why staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing premature aging. Here's how you can stay hydrated. Water. The simplest and most effective way to stay hydrated is by drinking plenty of water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day or more if you're active. Water-rich fruits. Fruits like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges are packed with water, helping to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Plus, they provide additional vitamins and minerals that are good for your skin. Herbal teas. Herbal teas, like green tea or chamomile, are full of antioxidants that can benefit your skin while also contributing to your hydration. Number 6. Limit processed foods and sugars. As important as it is to eat foods that promote glowing skin, it's equally important to avoid foods that can damage your skin. Processed foods and sugary snacks are often packed with refined sugars and unhealthy fats that can lead to inflammation and accelerate the aging process. Here's why you should limit them. Sugar. High sugar intake can lead to a process called glycation, which damages collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Processed foods. Processed foods, such as chips, cookies, and fast food, often contain artificial additives, unhealthy fats, and preservatives that can negatively impact your skin. These foods can cause inflammation and breakouts. As we wrap up today's video, remember, transforming your skin with food doesn't need to be complicated. You don't have to follow an extreme or restrictive diet. Just prioritize these nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory foods and start seeing real changes in your skin. Small, practical steps can lead to remarkable results. The beauty of this approach is that it's sustainable and easy to integrate into your daily life. I've made these changes myself, and I can honestly say it's made a huge difference in my skin. And trust me, you can do it too. We all know the temptation of a late-night pizza or a sweet snack, but what if you could indulge and still have clear, healthy skin? That's the power of focusing on the right foods and reducing inflammation in your body. So here's the key takeaway. Nourishing your skin from the inside out by reducing inflammation and supporting it with the right foods is the secret to glowing, youthful skin. It's not just a trendy idea, it's backed by science. By consistently incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll start noticing improvements in your skin's health. I'd love to hear from you. How are you planning to make these changes to your diet? Share in the comments below, and let me know if you've already seen any benefits from adding these skin-loving foods to your routine. And if you're interested in learning more about the anti-inflammatory diet and its full impact, make sure to check out my dedicated video on the topic. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get all my latest tips for a healthier, glowing you. Stay glowing, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.